Boy, when things come out the way you wish they would, one thing to say, life is good. Let's eat. Today we're gonna do chicken thighs in the kitchen. They're gonna be super juicy, and moist. Haha, yeah, I said it. Come on, let's go. Cheers. Cheers to you, my folks. Okay, let's get to work. So I got these chicken thighs from the grocery store. $6.48 for the whole thing. And it is 6.5 pounds. Look at that. All kinds of meat. Crazy. All right, so we're gonna take this, we're gonna prep it, and we're gonna do some other stuff to it. But first, we're gonna do the vegetables. Pro tip, do the vegetables, that way you don't have to wash your cutting board. See what we're doing here? No cross-contamination. First thing we wanna do is wash our chicken. Okay, now that the chicken is washed, we can go through and look at each individual piece of chicken and see if there's any pieces that we don't want, any extra skin or anything like that, like this. And we can cut it off if we want, but this isn't for presentation, folks. This is for dinner. So we're gonna leave that on there. We don't care about cutting off this little extra skin. It's gonna cook up nice and crispy, and we're gonna eat it like that. So who cares? Now, this little tray that the chicken was in, we went and took that, washed that a little bit, because we're gonna put the chicken back in here after we season it. A little olive oil. You know we put olive oil on almost everything. A little olive oil on all the chickens. All right, now this is just to help the rub stick. Call it rub seasoning, because we're in the house. We're just gonna call it seasoning instead of rub, okay? All right, massage that a little bit, make that chicken feel good. If that chicken doesn't feel good, it's not gonna taste good. Right, so this is what we want. Now, we're gonna do some with the good old Tony Chachere's, right? We got this Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, but then we also got the Modos. I can't even tell you what's in that, man. Top secret. I don't even remember what's in half of it. So we're gonna do these with the Modos, something that I made up. And I can't even tell you what's in there, but basically just put it on the way you want it. If the skin lifts up, get it under the skin, because, you know, this is the only time you want to get under something or someone's skin. So if you have the ability to get under the skin, get under the skin. Trust me, it'll help. Just like a turkey, right? You can't really over season it. Right, now you can season the bottom if you want. Of course, we want to. Right? That's only half the battle. We only did half of it. All right. More olive oil, more Modos going down. Get a dose of that. Now, for these other ones, we're gonna go ahead and put the Chachere's on there. And this is Chachere's Creole, right? You know, this is like a staple in most of our kitchens. So, Chachere's Creole seasoning. Creole. All right, start over. All right, boom. That's how we do it. Now, flip. Hit it again. You know what that is? That's called flavor, folks. Flavor. All right, we'll go down with some oil. You know this is a good old olive oil. All right, see it smoking? We drop chicken in. Now we're gonna do skin side down first. Skin side down first, okay? Ooh, listen to that. Listen to that smell. Listen to the smell, okay? If you can't smell it, you can hear it. Listen to the smell, folks. All right, so about 30 seconds, we're gonna flip, and then we're gonna put them over here in this 13x9 and get ready for the oven. Oh yeah. Now for the life of me, I cannot find my plastic tongs, rubber tongs, so I have to use the metal. Yeah, non-stick, metal, I know. I can't find my tongs, man. I gotta do it. I just won't touch it. Look how good that looks already, man. All right, next. All right, so really, smoking me the fuck out. All right, so the chicken is ready for the oven. And look, I had so many of them, I kind of needed this auxiliary pan. That's what we're gonna call it. And it was just too much damn chicken, right? $6.50. And there was all this chicken in here, man. You could feed a whole family of people. And I'm by myself. So I think that's enough. We're just gonna cook these like this. And we're just gonna pop these in the oven right now. It's just too much chicken. But I like it. I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and pop these in the oven, man. All right, so I have those in the oven at 350, 25 minutes. We'll get our instant read thermometer and we'll check it just to make sure that it's all the way done. And then we're gonna let it rest. Then we're gonna eat. But first, what are we gonna do now? Can you guys guess what I'm gonna do now? Ah, you didn't figure it out. Nope, I'm gonna have another shot. Then I'm gonna clean. I bet half of you guys said clean, huh? So we're gonna go clean. Wait, no, shot, clean. Look at this mess. This is a chicken mess, and you have to know, when you have chicken messes, you gotta clean up real good, folks, real good. Or else you'll get the case of the salmonella, and nobody wants the case of the salmonella, do they? I don't. Okay, for anybody that guessed clean, then shot, or just clean, you were right. Man, I had to clean up, man. I couldn't deal with it. Stuff was messy, so it's clean now, see? And the chicken is still in here. Now I'm gonna take a shot. I can't deal with the dirty kitchen, man. I can't do it. So now we're gonna do the shot, and then we're gonna wait for this chicken to come out. And we're gonna eat. But it's Friday the 13th, man. Can't tell you what month it is, but it's Friday the 13th. So let's do this shot, baby. Come on, man. Drink with me. Do you see that? Do you see what's happening right now? Look at that. Can you see that? What's coming off that shot glass? That is fucking awesome. Can you see that? That shit is nuts. See the smoke coming off of it? Why is there smoke coming off my shot glass? Put that in the comments. Is there somebody that knows why my shot glass is smoking? Woo, baby. Yeah, I might be the drinkingest ass. Can I say that? Yeah, I might be the drinkingest person, drinkingest chef, drinkingest home chef on YouTube. How do you say that? Drinkingest. Is that even a word? That's not a word. Somebody tell me what that word would be. Drinkingest in the comments. Got a pop quiz for you. Does anybody know the internal cook temperature for chicken? Doesn't matter what kind of chicken it is. Internal temperature. Does anybody know what it is? Go. No? 165 degrees. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my finger in here, get that 165 degrees with my thumb. Actually, I don't have fingers. With my thumb, get that 165. That didn't work. Next best thing, instant read. Get your instant read in here, bam, poke them. What do you got? 67, 69, 70. Just put it in the fat part, the biggest part, right? Same thing with all of them. Boom, hit all of them. Don't be scared. Juices aren't gonna come out. They're still gonna be nice and tender. You see that one? You see that one there? That one is not at 165 degrees, right? This one could possibly make you sick, right? This is the one you don't want. 60 over here, but not over here. It dropped. See that? Dropped down 162. We don't want to eat that shit. All right, so we're gonna pull these two little guys out of here. The auxiliary pan. We're gonna go ahead and pull those out. They are absolutely done, all right? We're gonna go put these bad boys back in here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna turn this. It's probably not done on that one because it wasn't an even cook. I'm gonna put this back in the middle right here. There we go. And get a more even cook this way. And we be ready. Okay, so I had to turn off the 3-6 Mafia again. That way I didn't get claimed on YouTube, you know, that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this again. See what we got. Hey, we're over now. I could have eyeballed this and let you guys know this was good. But that's not the proper way to cook. Don't eyeball it. That's how you get salmonella. All the salmonellas, you get the salmonella H85, H31, all that, whatever the salmonellas. Check the temperature, folks. That way you don't get it. That's the chicken, my friends. That's the chicken. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just take one of these magnificent chickens. Chickens, not even chicken, chickens. And we're just gonna take one. Which one should we do? Should we do this one? Should we do this chicken? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, fuck. God. You guys didn't see that. That wasn't on camera. It didn't happen. Holy shit, it's fucking hot. All right, grab it like this. Look at that chicken. All right, we're gonna put that shit right over here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find somewhere that's not a bone. Ow, hot. Still steaming. You see it steaming? It's steaming like a demon over there, you know? Look at that chicken. Woo. Oh, look at that. It's like a breast, but better. Still juicy, right? Yeah, look at that shit. All right, now there's no bone in this. I just cut it. Ow, fuck. It's so hot. Fuck. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some of this red pepper right here. This is a sweet pepper. It's not hot. Here's some onion. Oh, God. Use utensils, man. Use utensils. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't be that guy. I'm gonna take this onion. Nice and soft. Woo. Boy, I know. Onions soak up some flavor now. That's some good shit right there. All right. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a little piece of this chicken, this onion, and this pepper together. Hold up. We got the chicken, the onion, and the pepper. See the onion on there? Yeah, baby. All right, let's get to it. Dude. I wish y'all could taste what I taste right now. I'm telling you. Fuck, that chicken is like, I'd say fall off the bone tender, but I cut it, there was no bone. Oh, jeez. Man, look how tender this chicken is. They're still smoking. You see that shit? Man, tender, juicy. Remember all the moist we talked about, the moist? Moist as a motherfucker. Pardon my manners talking with my mouth full, and pardon my French. But you know what? It's super good, man. I probably got oil and shit dripping all over here, whatever. I don't care. That shit was good. That shit was real good. Hey, if you guys like this, make sure you like, subscribe. If you got something to say about my chicken, put it in the comments. That's what I have to say. People say, hey, Mo, why do you talk like you were in the military? Why do you talk like you're some boss? Because I was in the army, man. He's been combat troop. Everybody knows that, except for you guys. But now you guys know. So, all right. Hey, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.